Matic track addict, and I'm back at it. Play me a beat with this heat, I'm a blap at it.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna start out with some gold shit. We just gonna fucking put this gold shit all over our motherfucking face. Fucking the double-sided fucking blender. Okay, you're just gonna start brushing it in, fresh it in the mug right there. Then you got this double R. It ain't Rolls Royce, it's Rolls Ross. You feel me? Bitches on a budget. You're just gonna fucking start filling that in. Hella dark, hella black. Receding eyebrows. You know what I mean? You're just gonna start. Final touches, you're gonna get this goopy shit. You're gonna put it on this other fucking green brush. You're gonna make a couple dots. You're gonna start. Follow the line. I know some bitches ain't got no motherfucking line to follow. Okay, go get your fucking eyebrows done by Kim. Okay, she'll hook you up. She'll be like, honey, you don't have the eyebrows. Like $7. Then you get this fucking red shit. You start filling it in right there. You're gonna look like you was staring at the sun for about half an hour, but it's good. Okay, we ain't finished with the video yet. Okay, start patting that shit in. Okay, might burn a little bit. Okay. Then you're gonna get this little spongy shit right here. This shit right here. You see it? With the dewy schmovie. Okay? Then you're gonna start beating the shit out of yourself with it. Okay? Just go on. Don't be scared. You ain't gonna catch a domestic violence case. Baby daddy ain't here. Just go on, beat yourself with it. All around your neck. Cover up all them little hairs you got. They just... yeah, right on the forehead. Shit take forever. And we on. We on to some elf shit. Because we done fucked up. So now we're gonna put some makeup over some other makeup. Okay? So put that shit over the shit we fucked up. X marks the thought. Bam. And we're gonna blend it in. Make sure a little bit gets in your eyes. Okay? If you ain't 35... wearing glasses, then you didn't put your makeup on right when you was 25. If it ain't in your eyes, you don't win the prize. Bam, beat that X in right there. It ain't just like that. Hoe is life, hoe is life, hoe is life. Drill that in your head, and then bam, we onto this shit. I don't know what this shit is. Alright, just rub it. Rub it. Got like 7 different makeups in this little spongy thing right here. Okay? This is like a fucking, like a flavor saver. Just gonna blend that in. Roll it. Okay. 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 Let's hit it all up right there. Okay. You might be getting a little tired now. Take a little break. It's loud intermission. You know what I'm talking about? Squirt. Sponsored. Alright, get your little ass out the way, cover up all that shit. You know what I'm talking about? Cover all up, some pasty ass shit. I don't even know what the fuck this shit is. A honey mustard on your motherfucking eyes. Had chicken nuggets last night. Put all that shit in. Rub all that shit in. Then we got the motherfucking James Chanis. We gonna go with the Nipsey Blue Crib. Okay, honey, we gonna go with the blue. Oh, upside down C. With the Nipsey Blue. You start filling it in right there. As you fill it in more and more, the end result, what you really want, you start looking like Mimi off the Drew Carey Show. If you don't know what Mimi is from the Drew Carey Show, the link is in the description below. You're gonna go to this morphin' time. Bam! Morphin' time, bitch. It looked like purple. It looked like what the fuck is that, purple? Is that purple? By this time, you don't even know what the colors are. Your fucking eyes are so covered up by fucking 7 layers of makeup. You're just putting shit on your eyes now. But that's okay. We gonna blend it in. It's all about blending. When you're blending, everybody keep on blending. It's a little bit of time, and the next thing you know, starts to come together. Bam. Don't stop now. We going with the Caucasian. Bam. Start filling it in. For a little backdrop. You know what I mean? And a little backdrop. Hit that shit up. Bam. Upside down cheese crepe. Bam. Fill it in. By this time, your right eye is gonna look more fucked up than your left eye because by this time you're already ready to stop. You're like, fuck this shit. Ugh. See? You're done. You're like, fuck this shit. Fuck this eye. Bam. Now we're gonna go pink. We're gonna go pink now. And we're gonna start bam. So remember earlier I told you about the Mimi. Like I said, it was around 96, 97. Drew Carey had a show. And the bitch name was Mimi. But for those of you that don't know that, you might know it's from Spawn. Yeah, she ain't having no part of that. No. She wants the brush, she ain't having the brush. She wants, oh, she don't have the brush. Okay, you can have the brush. Okay, she can have the brush. Oh, no, now she happy. Okay, now I got the little brush. Start filling it in. That's all it's about, filling it in. Filling it in with this cheap ass shit. Look at this janky ass shit. Janky ass shit. Only used for like 5 weekends in a row. That's pretty good. Low miles. Bam. That's it. Spit on it a little bit. You gotta spit on it just a little bit because fucking, I mean, you're on a budget. The glue might not work right. So put that shit on. Might hang off the tip just a little bit. Bam. So what you want to do when you put on these lashes really is not blink at all. Like at all. Okay. Now I'm trying to put them on. Motherfuckers gonna fuck around and get pink eye doing this shit. Ah! Caught myself. Look at your eyes. Okay. Now, rubbing them in. Put some more shit in your eyes now. Okay. Now we're going with the big brush. Baby went to sleep. We got the big brush back. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Dust all that shit off like a motherfucking barber. You notice how we didn't hit any of that shit, but we just going over it with the brush anyways. Fat nigga in the back. Hey. Okay, now, oh, see, don't blink. Don't blink. Don't blink. You gotta keep them open just a little bit. Elf. If it says Elf, it came off a Target shelf. You feel me? We're gonna go along the nose line right there. We're gonna make that fucking motherfucking Jay-Z nose looking like motherfucking Kirsten Dunst. Look at this shit right here. Cheap ass shit came in a cheap ass box. Bitches love waiting on fucking cheap ass shit in cheap ass boxes. Talking about my pink package came in the mail. Like, no one cares, bro. You know, start filling it in right there. Look, now look all glossy. Look like, ooh, pat on the nose, bless you. Then, we're gonna lip liner with no lipstick. Lip liner with no lipstick. Oh shit, ooh, but it's popping. Lip mask is popping. My lip mask is popping.
You make us ugly. Subscribe right now. So, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Ah! He's a monster! Ah!
We now return to your regular programming.